Unlike most vertical type docking stations, Archgon Fusion is the first flat type docking station in the world. The major advantage is it can alleviate the vibration and hurt to the hard drives while it's working. Then you can protect your precious data in hard drive and even extend its lifetime. Also, there's a drive ejection designed by Archgon's patent. Users just press the ejection and then replace the hard drive you will use without any damages to connectors. In addition, Archgon's users can also download the one-touch backup software from our official website. This free software allows you to back up any information from your computer to hard drive, and you just need to press the LED light.